The caliber of training at DriveCo is second to none. No matter what their background is, we teach them how to drive a semi-truck.
DriveCo owns a very nice fleet of trucks. We use 10-speed Freightliners. The students come here, they train in the classroom face-to-face with an instructor.
The second week we actually go out and we start backing the trucks up, learning how to maneuver the trucks both forward and backwards.
They go out on the range 50 feet right outside our door and work on their backing skills there.
Once they get their CDL learner permit, we take them out on the road and we teach them how to shift the truck, how to upshift and downshift. We teach them how to make the turns, left and right turns, maneuver in and out of traffic, and be safe drivers.
Once they're out on the road and they learn how to drive and it's time for the state skills testing, they get to be taken in our own truck, they get to drive the truck they've trained in, and so they're more comfortable when they're on that skills lot during the state testing.